Welcome to Takomaterials, your trusted home for high-quality cookware that brings style and power to your kitchen. Introducing the brand new Des and I double grill pans available in 36 centimeters and 40 centimeter sizes. With a double-layered non-stick surface and a magnetic locking handle. These beauties seal in flavor, save time, and make grilling indoors a breeze. Whether you're making steak, fish, or veggies, this is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Take a look at our latest collection of premium non-stick pans and pots, some with tempered glass lids to lock in moisture and flavor. Perfect for everyday cooking, from breakfast to dinner. And for serious chefs or anyone feeding a family, we have 4 strategic casseroles with matching pans. All on sale, built to last, easy to clean, and stylish enough to take from stovetop straight to the table. Don't wait, text us 0788-689-223. Everything you see is available now at Takomaterials. Follow us to stay updated. Get recipes and shop directly